Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sir Meo's Garden. Sir Meo Vlogs is here. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sir Meo's Garden. This is Sir Meo Vlogs. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're fine, safe, and healthy. And I hope that you are fine and safe. Welcome to my mini paradise. This is Sir Meo Vlogs. So these are just some of my plants that are very green, vibrant, healthy, lush, bush, and of course, feng shui house plants. Hello guys, good morning again. Once again, this is Sir Meo Vlogs. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're fine, safe, and healthy. And for those who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to support me by simply liking, sharing, commenting, and of course, by simply clicking and hitting that tiny bell button below so that you will be seeing all of my plant videos and garden updates.
I can see you through a little while.